Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code CAA30194 in Windows 10 computer. So the Microsoft Teams with the error code CAA30194 open indicates a problem with the connections between the Teams app and the server. So this issue is typically related to disconnections from a work or school account. So here are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable and to check TLS settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run dialog box. And once you open up here this run dialog box, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword inet cpl.cpl. So just type this command keyword inet cpl.cpl, that is one word, and then you need to click this OK. And then open up this internet properties. And then next step, then you need to go to advanced tab and then click. So here now at advanced tab, and then you need to scroll down to the security sections. So we need to scroll down and locate this security sections. Alright, so here now at security sections, so all you have to do is to find and locate this TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and then 1.3. So all you have to do is to check this box, use TLS 1.0, check this box. Same with use TLS 1.1, and then use TLS 1.2, and the last one use TLS 1.3. So we need to check this box, and then you need to click apply, and then you need to click this OK. Alright, so after here, and the next solution that we're going to do is to disable VPN and proxy server. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open this Windows settings. And once you open up here this Windows settings, then you need not to tap or click this network and internet and then click. So here now at network and internet, at here at left side navigation panel, and then you need not to tap or click this proxy. And then here now on right side here at proxy, and then you need to scroll down. And here at use proxy server, then we need to toggle this button here. So if you see this enabled, then you need to toggle off or disable this button here. Alright, so once you're done here, then we need to close, and then we need to restart by clicking this power button here at left side corner, then click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.